When setting up a YouTube channel, there are some settings you need to be aware of so your YouTube channel is fully optimized for your business. I'm going to go through things step by step for you. Make sure to stay tuned to the end of the video where I share a resource that will actually help you get your channel set up quickly. So let's go ahead and get into the step-by-step tutorial. All right, here I am at the YouTube homepage, and this is a new page for me, a new channel, and I'm going to show you how to exactly get everything set up. So first off, if you're on YouTube, you have to have a Gmail account. That's the only way that you can actually start a YouTube channel. So you need to go into your sign in, and that's going to either take you to your own email address if you already have an account, or if you don't have an account, you are going to have to create a Gmail account, and you can do that here. As a business owner, you have three choices. You are going to start this YouTube channel for your personal use, for your child, or for work or my business. The obvious choice is that you're going to start this channel for your business. So at this point, you would click on this and you would create an account. So after you hit create account, if you actually have to create account, it's just basic information here. First name, last name, your email address, password, and then you go on to the next. All right, so once you either have your account created or you sign into your existing Gmail account, this is what your YouTube homepage is going to look like. So it basically looks the same, except for now you can see instead of that generic logo here, you have a number or a actual initial of your name. So my name is Nachole, so I have an N right here. So that means I do have a channel. I'm going to go ahead and show you a couple different things here. We can create a channel, and this is what's going to happen. Once you click create a channel, you're going to have the option of uploading a picture, which I strongly suggest you uploading your business logo. Or if you yourself are your brand, you upload a picture of yourself. The name here is going to be Nachole Johnson, so that's my name. But if you want to change your channel name to whatever you want to change it besides your own name, do so. Just be aware that even if you choose a name today, that you can change your name later on. So my channel has actually had a name change. It does not really matter. You can change it. Your handle is really important. This is something that YouTube implemented a couple of months ago. Your handle is actually how people can communicate with you, and it's unique to you. So choose your handle wisely. Don't make it anything weird, like with a lot of numbers and a lot of letters that don't make any sense. Keep it simple if you can. And unfortunately, if someone already has your channel name or your handle name, you're going to have to change things up a bit, but just make it something easy so your viewers and visitors can actually get to your YouTube channel. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and create channel. All right, so here we are on the back end of the new channel. So right now, obviously everything is blank and you have a blank slate to create things the way you want to create things. So besides uploading videos, we do have a couple things that we need to do on the back end. I'm going to go ahead and go to customize channel. And what it's going to take you to is going to take you to the YouTube Studio. So YouTube Studio is really important. Even if you're not monetized yet, this is the back end where everything happens. So you'll be able to see all of this. So let's go ahead and hit the continue button. Okay, so this is perfect. So what you want to do with your channel, as a business channel, is obviously you want to customize it. So we're going to customize a couple of things. Right here on channel customization, you have the option of uploading a trailer for your video, for your channel. I highly suggest you uploading a channel trailer. And the channel trailer can be 3 to 5 minutes, or it can be a video that you already have on your channel and you just want to highlight that video and have that there. So you can most definitely add that. For the people who are already subscribers of your channel, they may not want to see your trailer video about what your channel's about because they already know you, they like you, they trust you. So you can have an actual different video for people who are returning subscribers. So let's move on into branding because there's really not much you can do here without having any videos. Okay, so we start out with that picture again. If you had uploaded a picture earlier, it would be there. So make sure you upload a picture, either your business logo or a picture of yourself. And then we have the banner image. So the banner image is what people are going to see when they first come to your channel, and then all of your videos are under that. For your banner images, I suggest you making sure that you actually have some important information on it, like your channel name. If you are your brand, you need to have a picture of yourself. And you also need to have something on there saying, okay, what kind of content you're putting out. What are you doing? So that way, when new people come to your channel, they know immediately what kind of content you have and what to expect from your channel. There are a couple other things you can add on that banner, and I'll show you here in a little bit, but the most important thing, obviously, a link to your website, link to all your other social media platforms, just so people can actually link to it if they want. Lastly is the video watermark. So a video watermark will appear in your videos, and that can either be a logo of your business, or it can be like a subscribe button, okay? That is completely up to you what you want. Okay, so we're moving on to the basic information for the channel. And once again, you have the option of choosing a channel name here, like we did when we first opened everything. So you have that option again of changing your name or choosing something new. And here we are again with the handle. So the handle just makes it really easy when you are telling other people about your YouTube channel. They're gonna be like, well, how do I find you? And it's really easy because you have the URL of youtube.com/ and then at whatever your handle name is. So that way you can actually memorize your URL, easily give it to other people, and people will easily be able to find your channel. Okay, so the description is really important. So this description goes under the About section when you are on somebody's channel. It basically tells people what your channel is about, what to expect from your channel, how to get in contact with you. You need all of this information. If you are a business owner, you need to have all of that information. So like I said, things about your channel, what you're talking about, who you are, maybe a short bio, how to get in contact with me, what services or products I offer. There have been so many times where I go to people's YouTube channels and I want to learn more about them, and then I go to their description and it really has nothing on it, or it's a short sentence about what kind of videos they put out, but I wanted more information, you know? So this is a really good spot for people who want more information about you to find you and contact you off of YouTube. Make sure you have that information there. Okay, so we scroll down and we have the channel URL. Like I said, you can use your handle as your URL. You can also add links here. So this is really important because this is going to add a link to maybe your website or maybe another social media channel, somewhere else where people can find more information about you, more of your content. So I'm gonna go ahead and delete that. But then here we have, again, another opportunity for contact. Make sure you have your email address on your description as a business owner. Okay, so I'm gonna move on to settings because I think this is really important as well. Obviously, you're gonna put your default currency, a little bit of your information here is the basic information, keywords, also known as tags. They're not super important. YouTube doesn't put a huge emphasis on it, but it's always good to put some keywords about what your channel is about. So if you're a social media manager, you're putting social media manager, social media, etc., right? So moving on to advanced settings, you want to make sure you are setting your channel correctly. So if you are a business and your business is not related to children and you are not selling to children, you don't want to make your channel channel for kids. Okay, and then feature eligibility. So on this channel, since it's brand new, you only have certain standard features. And in order to get more features, you're gonna actually have to verify your channel. So right now, you have video uploads, playlist creation, add collaborators to playlists, add new videos to existing playlists. And then right here, when we go into the intermediate and advanced, you don't have any option on actually doing that until you verify your channel with your phone number. So you want to make sure that you actually verify your channel so you can get these extra features. So with intermediate, You can have videos longer than 15 minutes, custom thumbnails, that's super important, and live streaming. And then on advanced features, you can create live streams daily, upload more videos daily, create more shorts daily, embed live streams, external links and video descriptions, appealing content ID claims, and eligibility to apply for monetization. So as a business owner with a YouTube channel, you want all of this. So make sure you verify your account through your phone number. Okay, so for upload defaults, this is just basic information. I wouldn't upload a title as a upload default. I would actually upload a description as an upload default. And I have a video covering that and exactly how to do that. That's basically where every video you upload, you have a description, not only about the video, but gives more information about you, what you do, your links, your affiliate links, all the information to where you can totally optimize each and every video that comes out. So go ahead and watch that video and learn how to do that. I'm going to scroll down a little bit. Visibility, that's another upload setting. You can't really do anything about this unless until actually YouTube does its own verification checks. So all my videos go up as private until they're scheduled. And then once again, we have tags. Okay, so advanced settings, allow automatic chapters and key moments. I would keep that checked. You have the standard YouTube license or Creative Commons. That just depends on whether or not you want to let people sample your content. I just have the standard YouTube license. As far as comments are concerned, when you get comments, do you want them to allow all comments or do you want them to hold potentially inappropriate contents for review? So I just have this automatically set on a hold potentially inappropriate comments for review. And then you can choose how many viewers actually can see how many viewers like the video or not. So you can check that or uncheck that. And then moving on, we're going to go into permissions. So this is where if you had somebody that was working on your channel, maybe as a YouTube channel manager, you can actually add permissions and roles for them there. We're going to go into the community. Community is the community settings, and you can go ahead and add a moderator or approve users, hidden users, etc. Then we go into the creator demographics if you want to go ahead and take a survey. And then we move into the agreement. So we can just close that. I'm going to show you a couple of other things. So I want to go to the dashboard here. Okay, so when you actually start uploading videos, this is where everything's going to go. You're going to see your analytics back here. You're going to see, you know, how many people have viewed your video, what it's ranking, if you have more than one video. You'll be able to see a lot of stuff back here. And as a business owner that has a YouTube channel, you do really want to pay attention to your dashboard here in YouTube Studio and your analytics. We're going to go on to the content. Obviously, this is a brand new channel. We do not have any content. Analytics, like I said, that's in the YouTube Studio, but we have another view here. Basically, this is just the overview of your channel. Channel did not get any views in the last 28 days, obviously, because it is a brand new channel. Comments, this is where comments will show up. At this point, you can go ahead and reply to the comments, or you can delete the comments if they're spam or something like that. Nothing to see here. Nothing to see here. So this is basically if you had any copyright strikes or someone has said that you've used some of their content or vice versa. Okay, let me go into the monetization because I think that's really important for business owners. Not only are you on YouTube to get leads for your business and maybe make more affiliate sales or more product sales or whatever else it is, but one of the things that's really cool about YouTube is that eventually you can get paid if you get monetized. I'm going to show you the requirements here for channel monetization. So the requirements for channel monetization are that you need 1,000 subscribers and you need 4,000 public watch hours and two-step verification. So that's for your overall Google account. and then no active community guideline strikes. So that is what is needed for monetization of your channel. All right, so going back to your actual channel itself, when we're not on the back end, this is what people coming to your channel are going to see. But as I said, you have to go into the customization and get your branding together. Make sure you have your images, make sure you have your channel header, all of that good stuff. So everything is completely branded for your business. I know after watching this video and trying to figure out all the nuances of getting your channel set up, your head is probably spinning and the last thing you're thinking of is actually how to brand your channel. So that's why my team and I have put together a YouTube branding kit that will make things super easy for you. All the templates are completely editable in Canva, so it's actually on brand for your business. It includes everything from the channel banner, name callouts, watermarks, and thumbnail graphics. So if you're interested in checking them out, I'll put the link down in the comments below. But in the meantime, if you enjoyed this video, please like the video, please subscribe to the channel if you're new, and I'll see you on the next video.